Welcome to the place where the future of transportation is being shaped today. Look at this massive smart factory in Japan, powered by clean energy. We are stepping inside a facility where cutting-edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship. This is the birthplace of the next generation of urban mobility solutions. I am your guide today, taking you behind the scenes of an ultra-modern production line that redefines how we think about city driving and electric vehicles. The air here is filled with the sound of progress. Everywhere you look, robotic systems are working in perfect harmony to build something truly revolutionary. Notice these compact car frames. These are micro EVs designed specifically for the crowded streets of the world's megacities, blending efficiency with a very stylish design. At the core of this project is the concept of mobility for the future. It is about creating transport that is accessible, sustainable, and incredibly smart. Every single part, no matter how small, is handled with absolute precision. Here, the accuracy of artificial intelligence ensures that no detail is ever overlooked. This isn't just a factory, it is a digital ecosystem. It is where the soul of the Takumi master meets the cold, hard logic of AI. These screens monitor every single movement on the floor. AI algorithms optimize the workflow in real time, ensuring maximum efficiency and zero waste throughout the day. The engineering behind these vehicles is focused on urban agility. Let us dive deeper into the manufacturing process to see how these machines are born. We begin at the stamping section. Huge machines exert tons of pressure to transform ultralight high-strength steel into the sleek body panels of the micro EV. The surface must be flawless. Using lightweight materials is essential for electric vehicles to maximize their range while maintaining the highest safety standards for passengers. Now, witness the dance of the lasers. Laser welding provides a much stronger and cleaner bond than traditional methods, resulting in a safer vehicle frame. The precision is staggering. These robots can weld with a tolerance of less than a millimeter, ensuring that every frame is identical and structurally perfect. It is mesmerizing to see technology at this level. This automated process works around the clock, maintaining a level of consistency that human hands simply cannot. After welding, every frame is scanned by an AI-powered 3D inspection system. It checks for even the slightest deviations from the digital master blueprint immediately. The system measures accuracy down to 0.01 millimeters. If anything is off, the AI identifies the issue and alerts the engineers instantly. This symphony of steel and light is the foundation of the car. A strong, light frame is what makes the micro EV both safe and energy efficient. Once the skeleton is complete, it is transported to the next stage. These autonomous vehicles move the parts without any human intervention required at all. The entire floor is a living network. Logistics are handled by the same AI that manages the assembly, creating a seamless flow of production materials. By reducing the weight of the frame, we can use smaller batteries to achieve the same distance, making the car more affordable and eco-friendly for everyone. In addition to welding, advanced adhesives are used to increase the rigidity of the car. This combination makes the micro EV feel incredibly solid on the road. The transformation from raw steel to a vehicle skeleton is complete. Now it is time to give this machine its first splash of vibrant color. We enter the paint shop, a sterile environment where the cars receive their protective armor. This first dip ensures that the vehicle will never suffer rust. This process, known as ED coating, covers every nook and cranny. It is the secret to the long-lasting durability that Japanese cars are famous for. Even a single speck of dust can ruin a paint job. That is why we are in a clean room where the air is filtered constantly to maintain purity. The robots take over. Again, their movements are programmed to be perfectly consistent, ensuring the paint thickness is even across the entire surface of the car. The AI calculates the exact amount of paint needed for each car. This precision drastically reduces chemical waste, aligning with our commitment to environmental sustainability. The colors are inspired by nature and modern urban life. These finishes aren't just for show, they are designed to be extremely weather resistant and very easy to clean. The final clear coat gives the Micro EV its signature shine. It looks like a mirror reflecting the high-tech world it was created in so beautifully. Every car passes through this light tunnel. High-resolution cameras detect any micro-bubbles or dust particles that the human eye might miss during a quick glance. The result is absolute perfection. This level of finish is usually reserved for luxury vehicles, but here it is the standard for every Micro EV produced. With the paint dry and inspected, the car is now ready for its most critical component. It is time to install the heart of the vehicle. Welcome to the high voltage zone. This is where we assemble the battery packs, the most important and expensive part of any modern electric vehicle. Each module consists of hundreds of high-density lithium-ion cells. These are the fuel tanks of the future, providing the energy for a clean urban commute. Moisture is the enemy of batteries. This room is kept at a strictly controlled humidity level to ensure the long-term reliability and safety of the energy. Cells. Human expertise is still vital. Workers use AR glasses to see internal wiring diagrams, helping them connect complex high-voltage cables with absolute certainty and speed. The AI monitors the torque of every single screw. If a bolt isn't tightened to the exact specification, the assembly line stops immediately for correction. Safety is paramount. These packs are designed to be completely waterproof and fire-resistant, protecting the occupants in any driving condition they might encounter. The battery is mounted at the lowest point of the car. This gives the Micro EV a low center of gravity, making it incredibly stable and fun to drive. Next comes the electric motor. It is small, quiet, and delivers instant torque. This is what gives the car its zippy performance in heavy city traffic. This ECU manages the power flow between the battery and the motor. It is programmed with AI to maximize efficiency based on your driving style. Every connection is double-checked by sensors. A secure connection is vital for maintaining the high performance and safety standards of the entire electrical system. Once the powertrain is installed, the AI runs a first breath test. It wakes up the car's electronics to ensure every module is communicating correctly. Thermal management is key. This system keeps the battery at the perfect temperature, ensuring it lasts for many years without losing its capacity or power. The key heart is beating. This powertrain is a masterpiece of compact engineering, allowing for more interior space while keeping the external dimensions very small. Now that the car can move on its own power, it is time to build a comfortable and high-tech space for the driver. The final assembly is where the car really takes shape. Robots precisely place the glass, ensuring a perfect seal against wind and rain for the cabin. I'm helping out here. The steering wheel is purely electronic, or steer-by-wire. It allows for more legroom and a much more responsive driving experience overall. This is where the human touch is irreplaceable. A Takumi master inspects every seat, checking for the perfect feel and quality that no machine can detect. The interior materials are chosen for their sustainability and luxury. Even in a Micro EV, the Japanese philosophy of omotenashi, or hospitality, is very present. The dashboard is dominated by this massive screen. It is the hub for navigation, entertainment, and the AI assistant that helps you drive through the city. Software is just as important as hardware. We are flashing the car's operating system with the latest updates to ensure all autonomous features are ready. The assembly is incredibly fast, but incredibly careful. Every interior panel is designed to fit perfectly, eliminating any rattles or squeaks during your future drives. It is surprisingly roomy inside. By moving the mechanical parts to the floor, the engineers have created a cabin that feels much larger than it looks. The lights are the eyes of the car. These high-efficiency LEDs provide incredible visibility, while using very little power from the main battery pack. Quality control is relentless. We measure the gaps between every panel. This obsession with detail is what gives the car its premium and solid feel. Everything is ready. The interior is a blend of minimalist design and high-tech functionality, creating a relaxing environment for even the most stressful commutes. The final pieces are being attached. Every mirror and trim piece is aerodynamic, helping the car slip through the air with as little resistance as possible. And here it is, the finished micro EV. From a roll of steel to a completed vehicle, this process is a miracle of modern engineering and design. But our journey isn't over yet. Every car must prove itself on the test track before it can be delivered to its new owner. The car enters the final inspection. First, the dyno test, where we check the motor output, the braking power, and the accuracy of the speedometer. We simulate the roughest city streets. The suspension must be both comfortable and durable enough to handle potholes and cobblestones for many years to come. This is the monsoon test. We spray thousands of liters of water at the car to ensure the cabin and battery stay bone dry in any storm. The seals hold up perfectly. This car is built to survive the harshest urban environments, from Tokyo's summer rains to the snowy streets of Sapporo. Every vehicle receives the Kaizen seal of approval. This is our promise of continuous improvement and zero defects to every single customer we serve. It is time for the final drive. There is nothing quite like the feeling of driving a car that you've seen being built from the ground up. The movement is silent and effortless. This is the sound of the future, or rather, the lack of sound that will make our cities much quieter. We are heading out. This factory is just the beginning. These cars are about to change the way people move, work, and live in modern cities. Look at that turning circle. It is designed for the narrowest alleys, making parking and navigating through dense traffic easier than it has ever been before. The quality of Japanese manufacturing is alive and well in the electric age. We have combined tradition with the power of artificial intelligence beautifully. As the sun sets on the factory, hundreds of micro EVs are ready to begin their journey to cities all across the globe tonight. The future is micro, and the future is here. These cars are the solution to our urban challenges, providing clean and efficient mobility for everyone. Our journey from a sheet of steel to the streets of Tokyo is complete. This is the heart of Japan's automotive technology at its best. Thank you for exploring this smart factory with us. If you enjoyed this look into the future, please subscribe to CarMic for more amazing stories.